Alright, what's going on, guys? So basically we got the packages in. These have been here for a couple days already actually, but I haven't had the chance to open them up yet. But it comes in some flat rate envelopes, and I'm gonna open this really carefully because I feel like the protein bag is right here, so I don't want to like tear through the protein bag. But this is the FLVRNutrition FLVR Nutrition. This is gonna be the milk tea boba flavored protein. Oh yeah. See, good thing I opened it real carefully because it's literally right at the top. Right at the top here. Yeah, 20 grams of protein, milk tea boba. I'm like really off with this right now. I don't have a screen to look at. But yeah, FLVRNutrition, regular mix, 1 scoop, it's 20 grams, 6 to 8 ounces of cold water. Probably throw some ice in there too. We're gonna see how this tastes. And then the other package is actually, again, careful opening these, guys, because they put the bag right up against the envelope there. This is the matcha. Oh, what is it leaking? Oh my dudes, it is leaking, or I don't know, but there's matcha all over. And this is the bottom. I opened it the thing from the top, but yeah, we might have to use this from the bottom or find another container for it. Yeah, there's matcha all over this. That's wild. But yeah, this is the matcha milk tea flavor. Same thing, 20 grams of protein, 1 scoop. I'm gonna put that back in the bag. Figure that out later because I'm gonna be enjoying the milk tea one, just the regular milk tea flavored one. Yeah, you got matcha in the bottom of the bag over here. Man, I'm gonna take a picture of this and send it over to Flavor. Tell them they gotta work on their packaging skills. Or it could have been the shipping process. Either way, there's matcha all over the floor. Alright, matcha up all up on my slippers and stuff. Anyway, we're gonna open this up and then we're gonna go mix it and we're gonna see how it tastes. Be right back. Alright, switched up the angle for you guys. This is a nice little tear off package here. You can just tear it as wild as you want or as careful as you want. I like to be pretty careful and not go wild with my packages, only because I know it has a resealable zipper, so you're gonna, this is the best part of new protein, guys. You gotta like search for the scoop, and this bag is nice and malleable, so it lets you squish it to the top. And my hands are clean, fresh wash before I started the video, for all the dirt freaks out there and COVID times. Regular old protein scoop as always. Looks just like kind of like a chocolate flavored protein, but it's a lot lighter actually. I'll give you guys a quick little peek in there. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little generous scoop into the blender bottle. I always do protein first, and then before I put the water in that, I'm going to seal this up, take some air out of it, put that aside, get some water out of the fridge. Alright, I think I kind of went generous with water. It's kind of closer to 10 ounces, so it might be a little watered down, but it's alright. Put the blender ball in there, make sure everything is sealed. Safety first. Alright, and then on to the taste test. Alright, we're about to go run some errands right now, but I wanted to try it. Oh, it's not bad. It's real light. I think that's because I put the 10 ounces of water instead of the 6 to 8 recommended. milk tea protein.
It's very light. Yeah, it's really light. I like it.
Not too bad though, right?
I don't think so. Well, I mean, it's kind of what I imagined, but maybe a little bit more.
It's good because the fact that it's light and it's not too sweet, I guess. You guys will enjoy this. Other than that, coupon code. Message me. I think I have a coupon code for FLVRNutrition, the milk tea. This one actually came in not too long, like 7 to 8 business days or 5 to 6 business days since the order. But yeah, pretty good. Yeah, message me if you guys want the coupon code. Alright, we're gonna go over on tonight.